Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to clear and reset your terminal inside VS Code. So many a times if you're coding inside the terminal, if you have a lot of messages in the terminal, so you need to clear out the terminal. So there are two ways by which you can do this. If you are on Linux, you can actually type here clear, but on Windows clear will not work. So you will get this error. So for Windows you simply type CLS. So for Windows you type CLS, and if you are on Linux you simply type clear. So this will clear out the terminal. So CLS for Windows. There is also a second way by which you can do this. You see these three dots on the right hand side. You see this option clear terminal. So if you also do this as well. So if your terminal is containing a lot of data, simply click these three dots, clear terminal. So these are the two ways by which you can clear out and reset your terminal inside your VS Code, because many a times you are wasting your time in. So either you can type CLS or you can do this. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment if your problem is solved.